Okay, good afternoon class. So today we're looking at factorization. We're still looking at the common factor, not so. At this point we have concluded worksheet 1 and 2 of book A. So now we're going to look at worksheet 3. Okay? Of book A. Okay, so where do we start? Remember the instruction is to factorize. So where do we start? What do we see? What is common in the two terms? C minus D. So if we take out C minus D, what are we left with? Y plus Z. Okay. Let's look at number 3. Remember, we are doing the odd numbers only. Number 3. What is common in that expression? You got the bracket, which is a plus 4. So, if I say you take out a plus 4 times x, and you divide it by the common factor, which is a plus 4, what are we left with? X minus. We got negative a plus 4 times y over a plus 4. Again, that cancels. What are we left with? Negative 4. For those of you who can't see it, that's how we do it. Okay. Let's look at number 5. Number 5, we've got x into 2a minus b minus y into 2a minus b. What is common here? 2a minus b. So if we say 2a minus b times x over 2a minus b, what do we have? What we left with? X. Y into 2a minus b divided by 2a minus b. Negative 1. Okay. Why are you laughing, Michael? Sorry? You say you're having your own conversation here now. Please, Michael, it's the first week of the term. Okay? The first lesson as well. Don't start off the term again. Any confusion? No? Number 7. The worksheet can be found in the description box below. In number 7, we got a into x minus y minus b into x minus y. What is common here? X minus y is common. What are we left with? A minus. Is there any confusion there? It's fairly simple, no? Look at number 9. Here we have 3x into a minus b plus 2y into a minus b. What's common there? A minus b. Your common factor. Take a minus b out, what do we left with? 3x plus. Okay. Number 11. We got x plus y in brackets plus 5a into x plus 1. How many terms are there? 2 terms. What is common in the 2 terms? X plus 1. You all agree with that? So again we say you got x plus y divided by the common factor, which is x plus y. What is that? You all agree with that? So it's 1 plus. You got 5a into x plus y divided by x plus 1. So what happens? It leaves you with Okay. Any confusion there? No? Number 13. But x into x plus 2 minus 2y into x plus 2. What is common here? Common bracket of x plus 2. So x into x plus 2 divided by x plus 2 is what? X. Negative 2y into x plus 2 divided by the common factor of x plus 2. What are we left with? Negative 2y. Okay? So any confusion? Okay, let's look at number 15. Number 15 we are given a into x minus 10 plus 10 into x minus 10. What is common here? A minus 10. Did I say x? Yes, okay. So it's a into a minus 10 plus 10 into a minus 10. So a minus 10 is common. Okay? So a into a minus 10 divided by a minus 10? A. 10 into a minus 10 divided by a minus 10? Is your answer. Yes. The common bracket. Okay. Any other confusion? Okay. So that concludes book A worksheet. Good afternoon, class. So today we're looking at factorization, book A worksheet 4. Today's lesson we're going to go probably up until 5, okay? The homework of course is going to be the even numbers. Right, the first question again is to factorize. So here what we have is 5a into x plus y plus 5b into x plus y. What is common there? X plus y. And so, some of you think, why didn't I say 5? You could have said 5 into x plus y. Okay? So we got x plus y. But take x plus y out, what am I left with? 5a plus 5. So what do we notice here now? It's a common factor. If you look at the previous calculations, you see there's no common factor in that brackets there. Otherwise you would have to factorize that if there was a common factor. Does it make sense? But because here's a common factor, I must take out 5 as the common factor. You guys understand? So if we take 5 out, it will simply be 5 into x plus y. So what's 5a divided by 5? A plus 5b divided by 5? But some of you are going to say, but now why didn't I put it here? In front of the bracket I took it out of. Then I would ask you, do we ever write a number like that? Where do we always write the coefficient, the numerical coefficient? We write it in front. That is why I would write that as 2 into 2x1 and not x2y. Does it make sense, people? Why am I writing that 5 in front? Okay? People, what I could have done was I could have even write it as 5 into a plus b times x plus y. That's also the same. Why? Because 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 1, which is 6, is the same as 1 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3, which is? You guys understand? So this here, and that is the same solution. Okay? That x plus y don't have to be first in your answer. Okay? Does it make sense? Look at number 3. In number 3, we got 4a into x plus y minus 12b into x plus y. What is common here? X plus y. So 4a into x plus y divided by x plus y is what? 4a. Negative 12b into x plus y divided by x plus y. Negative 12. So what do you notice about the second bracket now? It's a common factor of 4. We take out the highest common factor. For those of you who are thinking, why not take out 2? The highest common factor is 4. If you take 2 out as a common factor, what do you notice here now? Got another common factor there of 2. Then you must take that out again. Then you're going to get 4 anyway in front of this. You guys understand? So we always try and take the highest common factor. Okay? But as I said, if you didn't see it initially, just do it again. Okay, you won't lose any marks. You won't get extra marks, of course. No? Take out 4 as a common factor. What are we left with? What's 4a divided by 4? A minus 12b divided by 4. 3. Okay. Any confusion there? No? Look at number 5. Got 3ac into x plus y plus 3bc into x plus y. What is common? X plus y. Take out x plus y as a common factor, what we left with? 3acs plus 3. So what do you notice here? There's a common factor there. Common factor of 3. C. Can you see it? C is also common. You guys understand? So we got 3c x plus 1. What is 3ac divided by 3c? Hey. 3bc divided by 3c? Okay, any issues there? Number 7. We've got 8ax into x plus y plus 12bx into x plus y. X plus y is common, yes? The common bracket, what are we left with? 8ax plus 12bx. Now from this bracket, what is common? 4x. What are we left with? 8ax divided by 4x. 2a plus 12bx divided by 4x. 3. Okay. I know some of you can go from there straight into that. There's no problem. Okay. But what I found over the years is the learner messes up this bracket if they go from this straight into it. Okay. Look at number 9. Number 9, we've got 4x squared into x minus 2y plus xy into x minus 2y. What is common here? X minus 2y. There's a common bracket there. We've got x minus 2y. So if I take x minus 2y out as a common factor, what are we left with? 4x squared. Plus. If I take x minus 2y out as a common factor, what am I left with? X plus xy. So what do we see now? Is again a common factor of x. Which gives me x minus 2y. X is the common factor. What are we left with? 4x plus 1. And of course I can multiply this in. 4x times x, 4x squared. X times y is xy. You see that? X minus 2y times 4x squared is 4x squared into x minus 2y. X minus 2y times xy, so it will be xy into x minus 2y. Can you see that, people? The last one here, of course, number 11. We've got a squared into x plus 3 minus 2a into x plus 3. What is common? X plus 3 is a common factor. What's up? X plus 3, common bracket. You take it out, what am I left with? A squared. Take it out, I'm left with negative. What do we notice what is common here? A. Take out a is a common factor, and then left with x plus 3 into a minus. As you can see, a squared divided by a is a, and negative 2a divided by 2 is negative. Okay? That brings us to the end of worksheet 4. So I'm going to give you a chance now to do the even numbers of worksheet 3 and 4 before we go on to worksheet 5.